Hello, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Codewars 7 Caillou Vault Experience 1, Enough Water for How Many Days. A little story here, I'm just going to sum it up real quick. So basically we're getting two variables, water and age of dweller array. So water is how many liters of water we have, and the age of dweller array contains multiple numbers giving the age of the people in the dwelling that uses this water. And so basically we need to figure out how many days until the dwelling runs out of water. So we're going to have these numbers here. So for example, 5, 30, 10. It says if a dweller is under 18, they're going to consume 1 liter per day. Older than 50, consume 1.5 liters per day. And then everybody else 2 liters per day. So for this example here, you've got 5 less than 18, so 1. 30 is in between 18 and 50, so 2. And then 10 under 18, so we're going to have 1 plus 2 plus 1, 4. And that's the first thing we're going to figure out, by the way. And then all we need to do is take that number, or we'll take water, 150, and divide it by that number 4, and round it down, because it says here the residual water is not calculated. Finally, there is an edge case where we're going to return -1 if no dweller living if no dweller is living inside the vault. So basically, if there is an empty array, we return -1. All right, I'm going to go over to CodePen because I like to do my algorithms in CodePen so I can see what my code is doing as I type it. We've got water and age of dweller array. Let's go over to CodePen. Const, create a variable water that's going to equal 150, and then another variable const age of dweller array. That's going to equal that array. Create our function. I'm going to call it func. And we're going to return water to make sure CodePen is behaving and not locking up, because it sometimes does. And whoops. Whoa. There we go. Now we should get water. Alright, everything's cool. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take care of that edge case. So we're going to say if age of dweller array dot length equals 0, we're going to return -1. So let's get rid of all these elements, all these numbers, and we should get a -1 in the console, and we do. Good. Alright, so next thing we do is figure out how much water these dwellers are using per day. That's the next step. So we're going to create a variable. We're going to say let water per day equals 0. We're going to use let because that's going to change as we loop through the array. And then to loop the array, we're just going to use the map function. What am I doing? Age of dweller array dot map, and we're going to initialize the variable as num. Use the arrow function, and then inside here we're going to use a ternary operator, and we're going to say if num is less than 18, if that condition is met, the action is going to be water per day equals water per day plus equal 1. And that'll increment for all the numbers under 18, it will increment this by 1. And then we're going to use an else, which is technically an if-else, because now we're going to give another condition. I'm going to say num is greater than 50, not 59, 50. Our action is going to be, we're going to do this again, but we're going to make it 1.5. And then we're going to do an else statement for all others. And we're going to copy that again. But this time we're going to say 2. Now we should get, for water per day, should equal 4. Because we should have 1 plus 2 plus 1, right? Yep. There we go. There's 4. Then all we need to do is we need to divide water by water per day and then round it down. So what we're going to do, first we're going to do this. Put that in parentheses, water divided by water per day, and then in front of that, we're going to use the math.floor method. And then we should get, 37. And that's correct result. Alright, let's try this out in Codewars. So we're going to copy this and paste it all in here. Test it. Passed. Attempt. And we passed. Alright, thank you for watching my video today. If you want to see more of these, please like and subscribe my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day.